1.1 Atoms and Molecules. Learning outcome 1.1a. Write isotopic notation. Matter. What is matter? Matter can be defined as any substances that has mass and occupy a certain volume. Every matter in this world is made up of particles called atom. Atom, the smallest unit of the matter, consists of proton, electron, and neutron. Atoms combine to become molecules, and molecules combine to become macromolecules, and hence they become the larger structures. What is an atom? Atom is a small particle that is known as building block in chemistry. It is a very small particle which cannot be seen by our naked eyes. There are three subatomic particles in an atom. Nucleus at the center of the atom. Inside the nucleus, they have proton, which is positively charged, and the neutron, which is neutral. Electrons move in a circular orbit around the nucleus. Nuclear number. The total number of proton and neutron in an atomic nucleus. And proton number can be defined as the number of proton in an atomic nucleus. Isotopic notation. Symbolic representative of an isotope, whereby using it we can easily determine an isotope's mass number, atomic number, number of neutrons and protons in the atomic nucleus. For example, given element X, which is subatomic particles, number of neutrons equal to 12, number of protons equal to 12, and number of electrons 10. To write is isotopic notation. First, we write the S as the symbol of the elements. On the top left, we have 24, bottom we have 12, and on the right hand side we have 2 positive. 24 represented the nuclear number, which is the number of the neutron plus number of the proton. 12 is the proton number. If we compare the number of the proton with the number of the electron, you will notice that the number of proton is greater than the number of electron. Means this is the positively charged ion. 2 positive represent the charge. Example, cobalt has a nuclear number of 59 and a number of neutrons of 32. It has a net charge of 3 positive. Write the isotopic notation of the element. To write the isotopic notation, first we need to find out the number of its subatomic particles. Based on the questions, given nuclear number of 59, number of neutrons of 32, and net charge 3 positive. To get the proton number, we need to use the nuclear number, deduct the number of the neutron, that is 59 minus 32, so we have 27. To check the number of the electron, we need to check the net charge. This is the positively charged ion with 3 positive. Means the number of the electron must less than the number of the proton. So the number of the electron for this ion is 24 to give rise of the 3 positive charge. Isotopic notation of this element: CO, the symbol of the cobalt, nuclear number 59, proton number 27, and the net charge of 3 positive. Second example, proton number of oxygen is 8. It consists of 9 neutrons in its atomic nucleus and with a net charge of 2 negative. Write the isotopic notation for the element. To write the isotopic notation first, we need to find out its subatomic particles. In the questions given, the proton number of oxygen is 8, 9 neutron, and the net charge of 2 negative. To get the nuclear number, we need to use the proton number plus the number of the neutron, that is 8 plus 9, so the nuclear number is 17. To get the number of the electron, check the net charge of this ion, 2 negative. 2 negative means the number of the electron must greater than the number of the proton. So the number of the electron for this ion is 10. To write its isotopic notation, Oxygen O, neutron number 17, number of proton of 8, and the net charge of 2 negative.